I bought this little jointer planer combination a year ago, and for that price I really didn't expect it to be a good machine. And it isn't. But with a little bit of tweaking it can do a decent job. Right after taking it out of the box I noticed that the fence is a flimsy piece of shit made from tin can material, and I threw it away. It took me about an hour to make this new fence out of some scrap pieces of plywood. It attaches to the side of the machine and to the table, and it is rock solid and adjustable. It may look a little crude, but I didn't want to invest too much time in this. The infeed table just rests on the edge of the sheet metal housing. And the table rocks from side to side. It seems like it returns into its proper position when adjusted upwards, and it's being skewed when adjusted downwards. There was this other annoying safety feature that the machine can only be run when the dust hood is attached one way or the other. So if you happen to not have a dust collector around, you can't run the machine because it clogs up all the time. Stupid, and I bypassed it. The next modification I made was to pry off that annoying safety switch thing, because I didn't want to break a nail every time I tried to switch on the machine. Planer works well, but the table is so short that the wood would oscillate considerably until it got caught under the second feed roller, and that caused quite severe planer snipe. I made the bed longer by sticking a piece of particle board right through the planer, and that really minimized the snipe. Here is milling a rough sawn piece of cherry. I'm flattening one side, then with this one against the fence I mill the second one to 90 degrees to the first one. And then the planer takes care of the two other sides. The cut quality is really nice and the piece is straight and has 90-degree edges. And here planing a piece of LDP, which became the glide pads for my table saw fence. And planing a board. And edge joining a board. It sits on the box my router came with, and this way I can roll it around through the shop. And here's a look into the gearbox. And the planer adjustment. All in all, not a too bad machine. Thanks for watching.